and question number 3 already I have explaining to you in the video. Now we will start the question number 4, which is filling the blanks. So 4 is filling the blanks. See, this filling the blanks are not simple. Means in some filling the blanks, the method you have to follow. So first number I am writing, which is 1 kg is equals to blank gram. This is very simple answer. Means already we have repeated many times. This is formula we are using. 1 kilogram is equals to 1000 gram. Means in 1 kilogram 1000 gram are there. So this is your answer. Number 2. Half kg is equals to blank gram. So in this you have to understand, you have to use your mind. See, we are knowing that in 1 kg 1000 gram are there, right? So half is given, half kg. So what is the meaning of half? We can write like this. We can write like this way, means 1 upon 2. So 1 upon 2 kg is equals to how much? So if we will do the method like this, so 2 5s are 10 and backside the 0, means if we divide this 1000 with this 2, so we will get 500 answer. So answer will come 500 gram, means 1 kg is equals to 1000, so half kg is equals to 500 gram. This is our second number answer. Now number 3. Number 3 is 1 kg is equals to 5 multiply blank gram. See, for this kind of fill in the blanks, you have to find the method in rough space. 1 kg is given is equals to 5 multiply blank gram. That means 1 kg they have given in bifurcation. So we can do like this way the method. 1 kg. We are knowing that in 1 kg 1000 gram are there. Right, and in the blank the number is given 5 multiply blank gram. So what we can do now, means from the 1000 gram 5 is given and remaining grams we need to find. So we can do one thing, we can divide this 1000 with this 5, so we can get to know this answer. So if we will divide this 1000 with 5, so it's very easy division. 5 2s are 10. This 0 we are copying down. 5 zeros are 0. Again last one 0 we are copying down. So 5 zeros are 0. See, so what answer we are getting here? 200. That means our answer will come 200. Now you can do cross check. See how 5 2s are 10 and backside this 0. So 1000 gram we are getting. So answer will come 200 gram in this third number answer. So 5 multiplied 200 gram, altogether they will make 1 kg. Number 4. 5 kg is equals to blank gram. See, this sum already we have seen in the first video in the lecture also, that kilogram, our question is in kilogram and we have to convert into gram. So we are going through big to small. That means multiplication will come. So with 5 we will multiply 1000, this 1000. So directly we will get the answer 5000 gram. So this 5000 is your answer of this 4 number. Now number 5. Number 5 question is 3 kg is equals to 3 multiply blank gram. See, this 5 number is same like this number 3. Again I am repeating, this 5 number is same like this number 3. Means same method will come. 3 kg we want to make, but 3 is already given. See, if we find this sum, so we will do like this. 3 multiply, we are converting into gram, we are multiplying 1000, right? Backside gram. So altogether 3000 gram will be the answer. So in the second step, what we have written? 3 multiplied 1000. So same, you are filling the blank is given like this. 3 multiplied 1000. So 1000 is your answer. It is very easy. Now number 6. Number 6 is 7 kg. See, all the filling the blanks I'm taking 7 kg is equals to blank gram. Number 6 is same like number 4. Directly we will do the multiply. So 7 kg. How many gram of this 7 kg? 7000 gram, because we will multiply the 7 with the 1000. Number 7. 8 kg is equals to 4 multiplied blank gram. Alternate filling the blanks are given. Again same blank is given like this. Number 5. See, 8 kg we want to make. So firstly we will write 8 kg. Now you can observe from the 8 kg 4 is given. Multiply blank gram means this we have to find. So we are knowing that if we will convert this 8 kilogram into gram, so answer will become 8000 gram. Now pay attention. 8000 gram we want to make, right? So only 4 is given. So we can do this method, means we can divide this 8000 with this 4. So this remaining gram we can find. So 8000 we will divide with the 4. So it's very easy. 4 2s are 8. Now this 0 we are putting 4 zeros are 0. 3 steps we have to do, because 3 zeros are given back side. Again 4 zeros are 0, and last step also will come the same. 4 zeros are 0, like this. So 2000 we will get as our answer. So we will put 2000 gram. See, 4 multiplied 2000. So 4 2s are 8, and back side this 0 means 8000 gram. So it's remains same, means 8 kilogram is equals to 8000 gram. This is our answer. Now last 3 fill in the blanks. Number 8. Number 8 is very easy. See, from 10 kg and 1000 gram, blank is heavier. Blank is heavier. This is your question number 8. See, from 10 kg and 1000 gram, blank is heavier. So first we have to check that one number is given in kilogram and second number is given in gram. So first we have to convert this kilogram into gram. So we are knowing that how many grams are there of this 10 kg. So 10 multiply 1000 gram if we will do, so we will get 10,000 gram. That means this 10,000 gram is more than this 1000 gram. So which is heavier? Obviously this 10 kg. So 10 kg is our answer. Now number 9 is same like this number 8. Number 9 is from 150 gram and 1.5 kilogram, blank is lighter. Again, from 150 gram and 1.5 kilogram, blank is lighter, means light in weight. So 150 gram and 1.5 kilogram. So first this 1.5 kilogram you have to convert into gram. So this is the decimal number. For this decimal number, first of all 1 and 5 means 15 we are writing. If we will remove this point at this place of ones, so for this point 10 will come downside the 15. This step you will understand in the decimal chapter. So for this 1 point we are putting 10 downside. Now kg, this 1.5 is in kg, means this whole is in kg. So we are multiplying with the 1000. Now this 10 and this 10 will be cut. So 15 multiply 100, that is 1500 gram. Now make the comparison, 150 gram and 1500 gram. So which is light in weight, which is small? Obviously this 150 gram. So 150 gram is your answer. Now last fill in the blank is 10 number fill in the blank, which is 2 kg is equals to blank multiply half kg. See, first of all we want to make this 2 kg, but 2 kg means 2 kg is equals to blank multiply half. So for this half word we can write 1 upon 2 kg, right? Now 1 upon 2 kg, 2 kg, that means we can speak that 2000 gram. So 1 upon 2 kg means how many gram, that we are knowing that 1 upon 2 kg के ग्राम कितने होते हैं. So 1 upon 2 kg is equals to 500 gram. Already we have found in previous number. So we can write here 500 gram, right? So what we can do now, we will divide this 2000 with this 500 gram. So 2000 gram divided by 500 gram. So back side this 2 zeros we are cutting because it is same. Now 20 and 5, 20 divided by 5. So in table of 5 and 20 is coming 5 4s are. So 4 is your answer. So if we will do this whole blank like this, see 2 kg, that means 2000 gram. This is I am giving you the explanation. 4 and half kg, that means 500 gram. So if we will multiply this 4 and 500, so definitely we will get this 2000 gram, means this 2 kg. So I hope that all you have understood this, all the filling the blanks very well. Thank you. Have a nice day.